Scorpio, weekly horoscope for the week of April 14th, 2024. Hello, Scorpio. Welcome to Conscious Living, your weekly horoscope. This week, you're making noticeable advancements. The week starts on Sunday, April 14th, with Mercury and Aries forming a semisextile to Jupiter and Taurus. The instructions or guidance you receive today might be confusing or difficult to follow. Whether you're assembling furniture or giving directions to your team, there could be some misunderstandings. It's important to clarify any unclear points to ensure everyone is on the same page. On Monday, April 15th, Mercury aligns with Chiron in Aries. Scorpio, you may come across valuable information regarding your physical well-being. This could involve discovering a new workout app for home exercise or finding a workout buddy to train with. These positive changes could lead to noticeable progress in your fitness journey. If you found this reading insightful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, sharing it with your friends, and subscribing to our channel for more weekly horoscopes tailored to your zodiac sign. Embrace the opportunities that come your way and remember to stay true to yourself. Wishing you a week filled with love, light, and positive energy. Until next time, take care.